Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve this pattern where we have given 2, 1, 3, 5, then question mark, then 8, 6, 4. So if this type of pattern given, our first approach is to divide the circle in half and check whether it's verified or not. So if I'll divide this partially, this part, so what we noticed on the left hand side, all numbers are even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. And so what is the right hand side? The opposite of even is odd number. So here, what with the pattern? 1, 3, 5. So what is the next prime number? What is the next odd number here? 7. So what is the answer? 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So this circle filled with odd and even numbers. So our final answer is 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.